Okay, so I don't know why she's playing with me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, theenaturallynia. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're old. So thank you for watching. So for this video, I'm doing a how do I keep my braids like longer, like just some tips that I've learned over the years of like me having braids in my hair. So my first tip is going to be about sleep protection. So I wear this silk scarf to bed every night, and what happens is that it's like keeping my edges like nice and like covered, and I just think that it just helps also just keep the braids intact, because if you're sleeping all over the place, it gets some more fuzzy, and when they get fuzzy, it's time to take them out. So I'm just gonna show how I put it on. I will say I used to do a bandana like back in my like first days of wearing it, and okay, so I'm tying a knot back here. I used to wear a bandana, like one in the front and one in the back, but I felt that wasn't like it was too harsh on my edges, so I was like, I just need to wear my silk scarf. So I have all the space here, so then I'm just gonna wrap it again up in the front. And honestly, the bandana would slip off my head at night. This stays on my head, like I promise it stays on my head at night, so then my hair is nice and covered, protected, all of that jazz. So that's my first tip. And then I'm gonna do my next tip on protection is when you have your braids in the shower. So I had a friend who told me that she was just let the water run down her braids if that's what they wanted to do. No. You want to keep your braids dry so they can last longer. You want to keep them dry. Like in the pool and stuff, I understand, like yay, but no, you want to keep your braids dry. Okay, so I'm gonna show how I wear my hair. I will say I usually put it in a bun, but since I've had these goddess braids, like it's been kind of hard to do a full bun. So I'm going to show you guys my little method. So this is a headband I found somewhere in my house, I don't even know, and I just wrap it around, I think like twice, so it's kind of secure. And you want to kind of make that a high, like all the way up here, not a low pony. So this is how I'm looking. I'm about to look crazy, I'm telling y'all right now. So then I kind of just twist the hair, and I kind of wrap it on my head like this. And from this, I take my handy dandy thing from my hoodie that I talked about in my beanie video. I take this and I wrap it like that on my head, so I'm looking like this crazy. Oopsie. So you want to just kind of tie it on your forehead like this. This is what I do, and this is how I'm taking my showers. So I be having a little line on my head, aka why I take my showers at nighttime, because that's crazy. So this is it. So then I can wash my neck. Well, usually I'll kind of lift it up a little bit more, so then I can wash my neck, and then I don't have to worry about my hair getting wet. And I kind of will just inflate, like, you know, just do what you gotta do, kind of tuck in where you need to tuck in. But this is it. Like, this is how I'm taking my shower, so my hair is not getting wet, because you do not want your hair to get wet. And I really keep my head as still as possible in the shower. That'd be a quick shower. So that's how I'm doing my shower. My next tip is how you want to keep your if you have goddess braids like me, how you want to keep the curls intact. Here's my BFF. I just have some mousse, and the mousse will like help your hair. It's like a little bit of a half a pump. And then here's my curl, and I'm just gonna lather her up. I'm like looking in this mirror like straight ahead, by the way. So I'm just gonna do that for like my whole head basically, because they're looking like, I've had my braids in for like 2 weeks now, so it's looking a little rough. So this is just gonna help the curl stay intact a little bit better, and kind of just make it look a little bit more fresh than what it was looking beforehand. And like these are a little bit of a harder struggle. Oops, did I lose it? Oh gosh, I have like them everywhere. to stop like midway. Like, don't you see how lively these look compared to like, look at this side. Like, you can just see how much more live this side looks compared to this side. Okay, so I'm coming to an end. So I wanted to say, like, some of the girls are gonna be like this one is a gone but not forgotten type of girl. But you still show it love, cause like, why not? You could try to preserve it by doing the curl thing, but sometimes it might not work, and she just might be a goner, and it's okay if she is. Like, it's okay. Like, as long as your whole head doesn't look like this, then like you're okay. It's okay to have a few. Like, it came back alive a little bit, but like, it's okay to have a goner. Okay, so I had just finished up my hair. I don't know if you could tell, but it just looks so, like, the curls just look way more defined than before. And the hair smells like freaking amazing. Tip is gonna be how to relieve itchiness. This bad boy right here, Carol's Daughter, clarifying scalp treatment right here. I'm gonna link this below. This is a lifesaver, like lifesaver. So it's protective styling. It smells freaking amazing. Honestly, like, I'm only 2 weeks in, so probably like next week or like the week after, I'm probably gonna start using it. But I'm gonna just like demonstrate like how I do it. So like, once again, look in the mirror. So I'm just gonna apply it literally directly to my scalp. Oop. If it wants to come out. Okay, so I don't know why she's playing with me. Oh, it's like, you know how like stuff has like that buildup at first? Ew. I'm just gonna put that like in the back of my head. Okay. So I don't know if you can see it. Like, it's like a clear line. And I just kind of press that in my scalp. And this stuff, once again, your hair is about to be smelling bomb. And it literally helps relieve the itch like crazy. Like, and I would just do that honestly over my complete head. And then for the back, I usually would have my sister do it. So you can just get like a friend, your mom, your dad, your brother, your uncle, your sister, your auntie. You can get anybody to just do that for you for the back of your head. I mean, you can do it yourself, but you know how it's so like calming and relaxing to like have somebody else playing with your hair. Like, that's how I felt. So that's how I would do it. I mean, my hair's not itching yet. It's not itching yet. I just want it to be balanced as I did that side. My head's not itching yet, but when it will, I promise you, she's here to save the day. Like, she's saving the day. My tips on how you want to help your braids / goddess braids live their longest and best life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, make sure you subscribe. See you next time.